Whether you're just thinking about starting your own business or looking for ways to make some extra money on the side, I'm sure you've seen this before. How to make money online, how to make money traveling, how to make money blogging, how to make money with Facebook or Instagram, and lately, how to make money with Bitcoin, and so on and so forth. The truth is, there's one way and only one way to make money in any business. After watching this video, you will never get scammed again. You will never waste any more time on another business opportunity. And most important, you will be able to tell yourself whether you have what it takes to start your own business. My name is Paul, Extra Hyperactive, and I help people just like you, people who are passionate about fitness and travel, start their own business or at least make some extra money on the side to support their healthy and adventurous lifestyle. Before we get started, make sure you visit our website, extrahyperactivenetwork.com, to learn more about me, what I do, and most important, how you can be a part of our network. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this, to learn how you can turn your passion into a profitable business or at least make some extra money on the side. Unlike other online gurus, I hate being general and vague. That's why I'm gonna jump right in. The only way, and I repeat, the only way to make money in any business, whether it's online or offline, is by selling something. That's it. There are no more secrets, no magic beans, no tricks, no software that will make you money on autopilot from doing nothing. The only way to make money is by going out there and selling something. And as I promised in the beginning of this video, there are two things that I want to take away from it. First, next time somebody offers you a great business opportunity, all you have to do is just ask them, what do you sell? What do you promote? And if they can't clearly explain to you what they sell, then it's 100% scam. And finally, if you're still thinking about starting your own business or learning how to make some extra money on the side, the only question you have to ask yourself before you even get started is, how do you feel about selling? More important, just ask yourself, when was the last time you sold anything? Believe it or not, I've met people who never sold anything in their lives, not even on local Craigslist, and those people still think about starting their own business, hoping to make money any other way but selling. Like I've just said, there's no other way to make money but selling. So if you don't feel comfortable selling, if you've never sold anything in your life, then chances are you don't have what it takes to start your own business. And maybe you'd be better off with your job. But here's the funny thing. A lot of people, even those who hate selling, they don't understand that they sell every single day, whether they want it or not. When they go to their jobs, they sell not only their time, but also their experience, knowledge, and expertise, and that's exactly what they get paid for. They don't get paid for having a Facebook account or an Instagram account. They don't get paid for just showing up for work. They get paid for providing, for selling a service. Now that you know that the only way to make money is by selling something, you have a choice. You have to ask yourself, do you want to continue selling your services to that one particular employer that you work for, or you want to go out and offer your services, sell your services to the marketplace? I really hope that this video helped you realize that selling is the only way to make money in any business. And if you're still committed to starting your own business or at least learning how to make some extra money on the side, stay tuned, because in the next video I will talk about only three things that you can possibly sell. Thanks for watching this video, and you have a great day.